Hello, today we're going to be making a bracket, so let's get started. We're going to use Onshape, we're using the free subscription, so let's go create a new document, name it bracket. Alright, we'll want to start on the top view. We're going to hide our front and right view. We can either left click, right click, and go to hide, or we can go over here to this area and click right. Alright, so we want to see top, so let's go over here top. And if we want to move this in, we can make it closer by click, hold, and drag it. Alright, I'm going to use my middle mouse button to move over. And let's start creating the shape of it. So it's going to be pretty much a triangle. Let's do a sketch on my top view. And I'm going to just do a corner center point rectangle here. This here we'll choose our size of it. So I want it about 1 inch. So we're working with millimeters today. So I'm going to go with 25 by 25. And let's hit my dimension here. So this should be 25. And then this here to here, 25 too. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically connect the two sides together. One here, right there. All right, and I'm going to trim these guys. So let's hit trim. All right, so there's our beginning of our triangle. And what we can do now is an offset. So let's go over here to offset. Let's push these in about, let's say, 1 millimeter. We can click on, there's a number here. Yeah, right there, click there. Let's click 1.5 millimeter. We're going to click on all of these. This guy and then this guy. Okay, and say okay. Right, or we will confirm by clicking left click and escape out of that. Okay, so now we have our basic shape. Let's trim this guy now. We're going to trim here and here, here, and what we're going to do is connect those guys together. So this guy box him off. So let's let's pull straight down. But if we wanted to stop at this level right here, we can kind of see that that we could take it to that line. We see this dotted line right here. So we know it's semi-connected to that. Now we can click L to get out of there. Now if we want to extend this, we can go over here to extend, click on this guy, then drag it all the way to the other guy, click on that guy, and we have extended it. Okay, we're still in the extend command, so let's get out of that. And let's zoom into this guy. Let's make this flat. So let's click on our L for line, click in here, and then remember what we had to do is we went over here, grab that, pulled it down. Let's pull straight down. We'll see the dotted line. Click L to get in, L to get another one. There we go. Click there. Or we can do a extend on that guy, like Control Z to undo that. We extend, click this guy, pull him down to this guy. All right, and that sketch is done. Let's click OK. So now we want to extrude this. So we're going to extrude this about 20 millimeters. So let's go click on this right here. We're doing 20 millimeters. Okay. There we are. We extrude the start of it. Let's click on our top. Now we're going to do a sketch on this top surface right here. So let's do a sketch here. Sketch right here. So we're going to enclose this so that it's got some strength. All right. So let's take this line to here, and then we can either use a use command, which is up here. So we use a construction. I'm sorry. Let's go to use our use command, which is right here. So we're going to use this one right here. So this is a use or project and convert. So we're going to project this one onto our new sketch. All right, say okay. Now we can extrude this new sketch here, and we're going to push it down the opposite way, flip it. We're going to go 1.5 millimeters. Okay, and click OK. It's going to add it. So solid add, and it's going to merge with part 1. Okay, there we are. So now if we want to do that same thing again, let's show the sketch, which automatically unshows it once it's created. And now let's push it down all the way to this surface, and then have a 1.5 millimeter tall there. So one more extrude. We're going to extrude this guy right here. We are doing a starting offset of 20 millimeters. So it's going all the way down. We're going to flip this. So it's all the way down there, and it's going to be 1.5 millimeters tall. There you are. Okay, so we got 1.5 millimeters tall, starting offset, 20 millimeter depth, merge with part 1, solid add. Okay, and there we are. Okay, and now we can add a couple screw holes inside of here. So let's do that. Let's add some radiuses on there, and we'll go over here to fill it, and we can click on this face. We can, for some reason it doesn't even like that. Let's click on all these faces. There we go. Now it's okay. Oops. All right, and click on that face right there. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4 faces, which is okay. There we are. And if you want to do the outside, we can do the outside too. So let's click on blend again. There we are. All right. So now let's go and poke a couple holes in this guy. So we're going to go with a, let's create a sketch. So we want to sketch on this surface right here. And I think we create a line from this corner here all the way to here. Should be able to find a midpoint inside of here. Let's hit L to get out of that. And let's go over here. This is what our midpoint should look like. So Shift M, we want to find the midpoint of this line. And we want to put a point on that. So we hover over this. When we see that midpoint, those are all coincident. Right there is midpoint. Perfect. So if we want to double check that, we could hit dimension here. So here to here, 11.25, here to here, 11.25. All right, so we confirm that's midpoint. Left click, spacebar, or Control Z to get undo both of those. Okay, that's our midpoint. Let's create a circle. Could have created just a circle from here, but we have to find that midpoint. So let's hit D for dimension. Click on that guy. Click on this guy. 3 millimeters. Finish. First one's done. Let's get midpoint on this side. Sketch. Base. Line. I'm going to choose like this line right here, that point, to this point right here. Okay. Now we're going to look at L to get out of that. Now we can create just that circle if we want. But we're going to look for that midpoint. And it's right there. Perfect. Click there. D for dimension. Click on that guy. 3 millimeters. Finish. Okay. Now we can extrude both of those. Over here to extrude. Click on half circle. Flip it. Remove. So we get solid. Remove. And we can go with the depth. You know, we can go with a very large depth, or we can go over here and we can choose through all. Okay. Next one. Extrude. This face. Flip. Remove. Change to through all. And that's it. All right, so there is your simple bracket. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Thanks.